Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video I will show you how to fix low or unstable FPS using the NVIDIA control panel on a PC. Let's get started. First open the NVIDIA control panel on a PC. Once the control panel opens, look at the left menu under 3D settings, click manage 3D settings. Here you can adjust global and game specific settings to improve FPS. In the global settings tab, change the following options for better FPS: power management mode, low latency mode, texture filtering, vertical sync. These settings makes your GPU work efficiently and prevent unnecessary slowdowns. Scroll down to max frame rate. Set it slightly below your monitor refresh rate. This prevents sudden FPS drop that can make gameplay feel choppy. If you want, go to the program settings tab, select a game and apply the same performance setting. This is useful if you want higher FPS in one game while keeping other games normal. And that's it. By adjusting this NVIDIA control panel settings, your game should be run smoother and your FPS should be improved. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.